I'm Ashwini Dharmarajan. I'm from Mumbai. I did my civil engineering from the University of Mumbai. Since my childhood, or you can say after 10th and 12th, well, people actually start deciding their career. I knew that I wanted to take engineering, I wanted to do science, but I wanted to take some field which usually girls don't prefer, which is not biased for females. Like many girls after 12, they usually prefer IT or electronics engineering, but I wanted to do something different where there are less girls. So I wanted to choose some core field which also has a bright future and an evergreen career like mechanical or civil, and that's how I chose civil engineering. And after completing my civil engineering, I worked for a few months as a drafting and detailing engineer. And I didn't want to do any core course like other people do, like structural engineering or geotechnical, which after civil engineering you ask anyone, they're like, I'm doing structural engineering, I'm doing civil engineering. So I want to do something which has which is something new, which is apart from this core field and still related to the construction industry, and that's how I came across this MBA in Construction Project Management. Yes, there are other institutes which also offer this course, but I wanted a proper degree course which I think is offered by RICS School of Built Environment only. I was searching for various universities who offer such courses. I came across RICS, and I was fortunate enough to have met Sachin Sandhir sir, who had a one-to-one conversation with students like me who wanted to know what else we have ahead in this career, what RICS is all about, or what different courses it offers. So that's how I decided that RICS will be a good choice for me, and since it has a brand name, it's a 147-year-old institute, it was there was no doubt in going ahead with this. So today I can very proudly say that my School of Built Environment has met all my expectations, be it academics, be it placement, be it internship, be it research work, all my institute has given it to me. I've been placed in Turner & Townsend as an assistant project manager. So 5 years down the line, obviously I see myself as a very competent project manager, having handled large projects on my own. RICS has given me enough knowledge, and they've taught certain things which will be there for you throughout your life. So you just have to follow your path, and whatever you desire, you'll get it. So of course 5 years down the line, I see myself as a very successful project manager, and later on a senior level. Two most important thing is your dedication and your hard work. If you work hard and if you're sincere and you're dedicated, you can go a long way. Because talking about myself, yes, I've worked hard. I've been the first throughout the semesters here. So that RICS gave me scholarship for that. So it motivated me, it inspired me to go ahead. Also, I'm one of the few students who have been part of research papers which have been done here, and I got the chance to present at very high-level institutes like Indian Institute of Management and Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. I'm very passionate about learning. Whenever there is some new subject which is coming up, I'm very passionate to know what is there in it. And there are many subjects here in RICS which I thought has motivated me. Like they teach us here softwares which we haven't learned before. They're teaching us new upcoming subjects like building information modeling, latest softwares like Primavera, so lean construction. All these are hot topics, and I think these opportunities, these subjects are not mundane. They teach us something which you haven't done previously. So since I have this passion for learning, and they are RICS is giving that opportunity, together they combine, and that's how it helps me to go ahead. And we have very good library here which offers many books. You have good internet facilities, you have a good computer lab here, excellent professors who are there to guide you anytime, any time, 24 hours into 7, they are there to help you, be it through WhatsApp. You can visit them in their cabin. So with the help of the professors, their guidance, and the excellent course curriculum that has been designed at RICS, So all these and of course my passion for learning. I would recommend my friends or anyone to join RICS SPE because of many reasons. The very first reason is the very well drafted and very well organized course curriculum. Now, since it's a specialized school of built environment, it's for construction professionals. Civil engineering gives you certain basic knowledge. It does not provide you the thing which is required by the industry currently. So joining such specialized institutes like RICS and this course which is related to construction management, it's an amalgamation of your engineering and your management. That's what the industry requires right now. So come out of your thinking that okay, I'll be doing structures, I'll be doing environmental, and join a course which the industry actually requires right now. So yes, RICS has all the facilities that are required for such course. It has a very good course outline, it has experienced professors, it has all the lab facilities. It gives you all that is required to become a professional in your future. It gives you various research opportunities. It gives you there's a sling body here which can help you to explore your hidden talent, be it in the entrepreneurial cell or be it a marketing cell. So there are many such opportunities which are being given here. So yes, and of course an MBA, specialized MBA degree which is recognized all over the world. Here there's one more plus point is that you get internship, very good internship opportunity. It all depends on your hard work. If you're working hard, RICS is there to help you and guide you. So I got an opportunity to intern with Shapurji Pallonji, and since I haven't worked on site before, this was an excellent opportunity for me. 2 months I was there on site. I could know what exactly things happen on site, and it was just the beginning. The raft was being poured, so it was very good exploring the different domains, the different departments that are actually being done in a contracting firm. So I got this opportunity, and there are various site visits that are being organized by this institute. They take you to different places. We visited a precast structure, we visited construction of an hospital. So there are different types of sites that they explore you to. So all these opportunities are there, and of course no institute guarantees you placement, but if you work hard, I'm sure that the college is here to help you with all that you want.